Ever wondered what makes a pancake really fluffy? Is it just luck, or is there actual science behind it? Today I'm uncovering the chemistry of buttermilk pancakes and testing whether one simple ingredient swap can make all the difference. Our question is simple. Does using buttermilk and baking soda make pancakes taller and fluffier than using regular milk alone? Let's turn your kitchen into a tasty experiment. This project is perfect for science fairs, or for anyone who loves breakfast and chemistry. Here's how I did it. For the control batch I used pancake mix, whole milk. For the experimental batch I used pancake mix, homemade buttermilk, a small amount of baking soda. And if you don't have buttermilk, don't worry. Just mix 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of vinegar, instant homemade buttermilk. I mixed each batch carefully. The only difference? The experimental batch got a boost from chemistry. Here's the science. Buttermilk is acidic. Baking soda is a base. When they react, they produce carbon dioxide gas. Those gas bubbles expand in the heat, making the batter rise. More bubbles means fluffier pancakes. I cooked 30 pancakes from each batch using the same griddle, the same temperature, and the same cooking time. After cooking, I let them cool before measuring. Each pancake was measured at the center. I recorded all 60 heights with care. Precision matters, even with breakfast. Here are the results. Pancakes made with just milk averaged 8.96 millimeters in height. Pancakes made with buttermilk and baking soda averaged 11.38 millimeters. That's a difference of more than 2.4 millimeters. The difference was not random. My results were statistically significant with a p-value of 0.0001. The fluff is real. So what's the secret to fluffy pancakes? Use buttermilk. Add baking soda. Let chemistry do the rest. This makes a great science fair project. Here's how you can do it. Make 2 batches of pancakes. Measure the height of each pancake. Graph the results. Explain the chemical reaction. Then, enjoy the experiment. Who says science can't be delicious? Like, comment, and subscribe for more edible experiments. Because in cooking and chemistry, rise matters.